In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can connect your Google Analytics 4 to your Shopify store and track sales. So first of all, if you haven't signed up for Google Analytics, make sure to simply search for analytics.google.com into your search bar and make sure to sign up. Once the sign up is completed, you can head over to your preferences in your Shopify store, and then you just need to scroll down until you see Google Analytics, and then you need to click on Setup Google. Now the next step is you need to make sure to install the Google and YouTube app. This is the official app, so you don't need to worry about, and then click on install. So first of all, you need to start by setting up your Google account with your Google Analytics 4. So make sure to connect your Google account that you have onto your Google Analytics as well. So make sure to click on the connect, and then you just need to select your account. Once you have connected your Google account, the next step will going to be connecting your property. So if you want to create your new property, you need to head over to Google Analytics and then click on admin on the bottom left of your screen. Once you are in the admin section, you need to click on this create button and then click on property. Now you also have account option. This is for the people who have multiple websites and they want to manage everything under one umbrella. They can go with the account option. Otherwise you can click on property for now. And the first step will going to be selecting our property name. You can type any name of your property, it doesn't really matter. Now as for the reporting time zone, make sure to select the country that you have your audience from, and make sure to select the timing where your audience is more active. Then you need to select your currency wherever you are living right now, and then you just need to click on the next. And in the business details, make sure to select your industry. If you cannot find your industry, you can click on the other business activity. Now as for the business size, depending on your company, you can simply select and then click on next. Now on this page, we will going to select our business objectives. Now we have different options. Now selecting any one of these options will going to optimize your Google Analytics account as well, or for that specific property. So make sure to select accordingly and then click on create. Now we have successfully created our property. Now we can click on this web, and then this is going to open up this particular page. Now we need to simply start by opening up our online store and make sure to copy your URL of your website and then paste it just like so. As for the stream name, you can type, let's say, my Shopify website, and the next step will going to be enhance measurement. Now this is where you can select all of these options, which can be very useful for your data analysis. So make sure to select all of them and then click on create and continue on the top right. And we have successfully created our property. Now we can go back to our Shopify store and then refresh this page. After refreshing, you can click on this drop down menu and you will have your new created property. Now in this case, it was my Shopify store, so I will simply click on it and then click on the connect. And we have successfully set up our Google Analytics 4 with our Shopify store, and now we can seamlessly track our sales that is going to be made on our Shopify store. So this was the complete tutorial on how you can set up your Google Analytics with your Shopify store.